This is the May Pretty Obsessed box. Stay tuned because I've got 10 full size items to go through. Let's see if they're any good or not. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have this. So this is the Pretty Obsessed beauty box. This is the May box. So let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. Yeah, so as you should all be aware now, I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers. We are so close. We're that close, like so close. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, please do, make sure you do. And if you could share my channel with your friends and your family, that would be great, because the quicker we get to 2,000 subscribers, the quicker we can get on with the giveaway. I'm going to leave a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what's in the giveaway. The main prize is the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, and guys, it is chef's kiss. Here is the box. Let's open it up and have a little sneak peek. Is this okay, yeah, that's just saying refer a friend. If you are interested in getting this box for yourself, I'll leave my referral link down below in the information box and the comment box. It's not affiliated. I think, what does it say here? Refer 5 friends and get a free box on us. So that's what happens. So yeah, click that, get your first box, and you get the shipping for free, which is always good. So this box is the luxury box. There is 10 full size items in here, and this costs £24.99. I've been really happy with every box since I've joined, so fingers crossed it continues to stay that way. Other boxes they do a premium box with 5 full size items in, and that's £14.99. They do a skincare and pamper box with 5 full size items in for £19.99. They do a makeup only box with 5 full size items for £19.99. And they also do a ladies essentials box where you get 6 to 7 products to help with that time of the month, and that's £9.99. But yeah, should we have a sneak peek, because I am dying to see what's in here. I'm just going to move everything up so we can actually see. There we go. There is a little sneak peek, and as you can tell, there's a lot going on here. So let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what we've got. Right, with this box we don't get an edit card, but you know what? I don't actually mind, because everything in here is full size and there's 10 items, so yeah, really don't mind at all. But the first item we have is this. So it is nails by invogue. So there's 120 full cover nails, and you get like a glue there as well. I don't really do stick on nails, if I'm 100% honest, but I probably will use these nails when I do my gel polish videos. I have a stand and I stick them on the stand and paint them, so that's probably what I'll use these for. I mean, they look decent enough. These are, what are they? Coffin shaped, fast and simple to apply, ultra natural fit. I don't know if they would be a natural fit for me, because I have very small nail beds. But yeah, that's actually a really good product, something we don't normally see in beauty boxes, so that's really good. The second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Rouge Cosmetics, and it is a sheet mask. Is it a sheet mask? It's a hydrogel cucumber mask, and it's called Pickle My Face. Okay, skincare with an attitude. It's good for brightening, soothing, elasticity and moisturizing. It's made in Korea. Single use, yes it is a sheet mask. Okay, cool. So yeah, that will go in my face mask drawer. That will definitely be used. I love a good face mask, and it's definitely got my attention by saying pickle my face. So yeah, cool. Third item we have is this. So again, this is by the brand Rouge Cosmetics, and this is Berry Juicy Lip Gloss. Ooh, What is that? Is that the shade? I think it's in the shade Lovely. I can't see that, it's really small. I think it is in the shade Lovely. But let's open it up and have a swatch. So here it is. It looks very, very nice. I don't know if you can see the sparkles in there. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Absolutely amazing. Look at the size of that dofa. Let's just pop some here. Peachy colour. But you can kind of tell when that goes on your lips, you're not really going to be able to see the colour. But I don't know if you can see the shimmers in that, but it's really, really pretty. I don't know, should I put it over top of my lipstick? Let's give it a go. There, I put it on the bottom, you can see the difference. That's really, really nice. It smells absolutely gorgeous, but it tastes nice as well. I really, really like that. It's not sticky in the slightest. Fourth item we have is this. So this is by the brand Bubble Tea, and it is a body butter. Sleep, lavender and lemon essential oils. Ooh, okay. Infused with lavender and lemon essential oils to help relax and improve the quality of your sleep while hydrating your skin. Wow, look at that. You can see how thick that is. That lemon goes really, really well with the lavender. That's beautiful. The item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Pretty Monster, and it's 3D fake mink lashes, and these are called Elegant 3019. They are absolutely gorgeous. I think soon I'm going to try some lashes, but not as big as that. I think they would just look wrong on my eyes. I'd definitely like some a bit smaller, but I will put them in my future giveaway box. Because I think someone will be very, very happy with them. They look really pretty. The sixth item we have is this. Very unusual packaging indeed. This is by the brand The Cognac Sponge Co. And it's the Korean Cognac Eye Cleansing Pads Duo Pack with the purest cognac plant fibres. Okay. Wow, guys, look at them. It just reminds me of a wafer. No, I'm not going to eat them. I suppose you just add water to them and they'll go soft, but they look awesome. It just says the eco alternative to cotton wool or wipes. Natural plant fibre, reusable cleansing pads for removing makeup and cleansing the skin. Designed to help maintain healthy and clear skin around the delicate eye area. Leave skin feel hydrated, bright and refreshed. It is the kindest way to remove your makeup and delicately, yeah, that's it. I'm not saying it again because I got it right there. Exfoliate the eye area. Yeah, they're super, super cool. I love stuff like this. Cool, I really like them. Seventh product we have is this. So this is by the brand Cab Cosmetics, and it's Illuminating Dust. Okay, in the shade Stardust. So this is what the packaging looks like inside. Okay, so it is sealed, but yeah, you can see iridescence there. Should I open it? Am I going to make a mess of this? Oh wow, look at that. Ugh. Holy moly, that's blinding. That's gorgeous. That really, really is absolutely gorgeous. Just share it out a bit. Oh, yeah, I'm going to use that definitely. Number 8, we have this. So this is by the brand Figs in Rouge, and we've had this plenty of times in other beauty boxes. This is Wonder Love Sea Pearl Halo Dew Drops. It isn't sealed, so I can show you. So I'm just going to put some here. So there, that is there. It's very, very subtle. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Can you see that? So you can either use it by itself on the face and it's very illuminating, or you can mix it with foundation. So yeah, it'll just make your foundation extra illuminating as well. It is really, really gorgeous. Like I say, I've got 1 or 2 of these now, but they are really nice. Maybe I wish it was another product, but it is a nice product to get nonetheless. Product number 9, we have this. This is by Cab Cosmetics as well. And this is... It is. I've got no idea. I'm gonna have to open it up to find out. I think it's a lip liner. It doesn't say what it is, but I'm presuming by the colour that it's a lip liner. It's either that or an eyeliner, but I'm leaning towards a lip liner. It's really, really nice. Yeah, I can't, that's definitely a lip liner. It feels quite nice. It's not too soft and not too hard. It's not waxy at all. It's a really, really bonny colour. This is in the shade Cosmopolitan, and that shade is right up my street, so that's definitely going to get lots of use from me. Guys, the time's come. This is the 10th and final product in the box, and it's by Luna and Luna. This is something. Oh, it's a lip crayon in the shade Alara. Let's have a little look. So I love that packaging. Blue, very unusual indeed. That colour is gorgeous. Oh yeah, that's very, very nice. I think it's going to go with that very nicely. You can kind of mix the two together, but that's a lovely pinky nude shade all on its own. That is absolutely gorgeous, and it feels beautiful and hydrating as well. Ooh, and I don't think I've heard of Luna and Luna, so love discovering new brands. Guys, so this is my pretty obsessed box. What do you think? Personally, I do like this box. I really, really do. I do feel like I've got my money's worth, which is the most important thing of all. There are some items in here that I'm not... they're not for me. It's not that I don't like them, they're just not for me. So one is the eyelashes. I will make sure that I put them in a future giveaway so somebody gets good use out of them. But yeah, not my style. What else is there? The nails, I don't normally wear stuff like that, but because I do gel polish videos, basically showing swatches for Madam Glam gel polish and stuff, and do little designs, I will use them for that purpose, so they do come in handy for that. What else was I not sure on? I love this, I really, really do, by Figs and Rouge. I think it's just been in too many beauty boxes, but I'm not mad that I've got it because it's so beautiful on the skin. It really, really is. And I think that's quite pricey for what it is as well. So, but other than that, I love that illuminating powder. The body butter smells absolutely gorgeous. The lip liner and lip crayon, oh, well, really, really nice, really nice. The lip gloss as well is stunning, absolutely stunning. The cognac sponges, they're bloody lovely, really, really nice. And who doesn't love a face mask? So yes, this gets a massive, massive thumbs up from me. So again, if you are interested in this box, click the link down below in the information box and the comment box. It'll get you free postage on your first box. But comment down below and let me know what you think. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.